What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Am I focused? Good enough. Gonna go over our friend Gala games saying 0.04704 down 5.7 on the day. Market cap 1.43 billion. 24-hour volume 161 million. We caught a nice little short on the way down. 130% profit. Got stopped out on Floki though. You can gain access to my signals at the end of the video. So we ended up putting in a higher high before dropping. So good chance we hold a wave 2 pullback in between 0.03767, 0.04329. We may see a nice little bounce here, A, B, C, before dropping down. But I do think there's a good chance we hold this zone. If the 78.6% breaks at 0.03767, that's when you can see a deeper pullback and create a lower low. But until then, we did create a 5-way move, so good chance. And looking at Bitcoin as well, that we hold this pullback zone. Minimum target is the 38.2, but I wouldn't be surprised to see price at least come down to this zone before bouncing. Weekly chart beautifully holding those weekly EMAs, and I do think we will bounce off them and see continuation. So as an investor, beautiful time to enter on the bullish cross, the buy and go to the beach signal. If you're looking to hold for the bull run, in my opinion, just make sure to dollar cost average. That's it for this one, guys. If you want free access to my signals, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. 10% back on your fees when you sign up through my link. Just send me an email. After you make your first deposit, completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, 50x sniper, 100x sniper, 4x signals as well, giving those every single day. Trade crypto, trade forex, all in one place. We got over almost 3,000 members. All links down below. Smash that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.